Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to broadcast in ManyChat. Right, so the exported channels for broadcasting here in ManyChat are Facebook Messenger, SMS, WhatsApp, and even email. So to broadcast, just go ahead over to the left panel and click on broadcast right here. New broadcast or new broadcast at the top right. Now just wait for it. And now you can go ahead and create your content. This one right here, click on it. When you send a broadcast, then Messenger right here, what will Messenger do? Okay. If you have a ton of channels connected to your account, you'll be able to change the channel right here. Send outside 24-hour window or send within 24-hour window or even as a private reply. Okay. Now enter your text right here and then add in a button if you want to. You have a ton of selections right here. Add another text, add in an image or even delays. Okay. And then once that's done, go ahead and scroll down right here. We have the target audience. You can go ahead and add in the conditions. Okay. Conditions like a specific tag. And once you have your subscribers configured, you can now go ahead and click on send now. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and click on schedule now right here or schedule broadcast. You can go ahead and choose from the calendar view right here. For example, tomorrow at 1:30, just for example, like so, and then tap away, head on schedule broadcast, set live right here, and you're good to go. And that is how you broadcast in ManyChat. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.